Now we are using by Bitget to trade our dogs to USDT. So as you can see here, the dogs have not been listed yet. Also, still waiting for 3 hours left. So let's head over to trade. Trade here. Now, if you are in trade now for new Bitget users, you'll be seeing BTC here. You'll not be seeing dogs. So if you want to change it, just click on that BTC. As if it's on BTC, click on the BTC. Search for dogs. See, it's opening soon. Then you click on it. Now, as you are in dogs now, you head over to sell instead of buy. You head over to sell. Then you click here because as it's in limit order now, if you are selling, you're not selling at that price at the market price. You change it to market. So now if you are selling it, to sell immediately, just like we did on Bybit. And now the slider, now you can slide it to 100% if you are selling all your dogs for USDT, or 50. That's half of USDT, half of dogs, sorry, or 25, the quarter of dogs. Same thing. Then when you click on sell now, to sell immediately, I'm converted to USDT. Now when you are done with that, just head over to your assets. You see your USDT now. Like in your overview, you just head over to sports. From overview, you slide to sports. Then you see USDT now at the top. That's if you have sell your dogs for USDT. Yeah. Now you're free from any market, any dogs, the market volatility. But the dogs now might fall because everybody will start selling. So you just have to sell immediately before the price fall. So as in USDT now you're safe.